Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on an emulator in India. First, you will need a reliable virtual private network, or VPN, to bypass regional restrictions. This essential tool encrypts your internet traffic, routing it through servers in other countries, making it appear you are located elsewhere. A good VPN ensures both your privacy and a stable connection for gaming, which is vital for smooth gameplay. Next, select an Android emulator that best suits your computer's hardware. Popular options like GameLoop, BlueStacks, or LD Player offer excellent compatibility with PUBG Mobile. Always download your chosen emulator directly from its official website to ensure you get a legitimate, virus-free version. Installation is typically straightforward, following the on-screen prompts for a few minutes. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements, such as at least 4 GB of RAM. After installation, launch your emulator and sign in with your Google account, just like a new Android phone. Navigate to the Google Play Store, search for PUBG Mobile, and proceed with the game installation. Once installed, take time to configure the key mappings. This is crucial for a comfortable and competitive gaming experience. You can assign keyboard keys and mouse clicks to mimic touchscreen gestures perfectly. For the best experience, optimize your emulator settings. Allocate more RAM, perhaps 4 to 6 GB, and set the frame rate to 60 frames per second if your system allows. If you encounter lag or crashes, update your graphics drivers or temporarily disable other background applications. Always ensure your chosen VPN is active throughout your gameplay session, maintaining that secure, uninterrupted connection. This will help you enjoy smooth, lag-free battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.